So I am here with David from Creative Cut Supply.
Guys.
You guys have heard me talk about him before. It's one of pretty much my favorite wood supplier for laser cutting or engraving wood that I use for all my projects. And wanted to stop by, say hi,
Thanks for stopping by.
and bring some news to you from Creative Cuts and see what kind of new stuff people have been buzzing about here at the show. And also kind of talk about, you know, how to work with your product and some of the best practices and things like that. So tell me, David, what have people been most interested in here at the show so far?
Yeah, so the two things I'd say people are most interested of what we have are Dualtite, our double-sided adhesive, and then new this year at the show that we didn't have last year is our line of pre-finished materials. So it's essentially our same plywoods as last year, but they have a finish on it. So those moved really well this weekend. We didn't bring as much as we should have. We didn't realize how much people like that, but it makes sense because it's really a material that kind of bypasses the sanding.
Tell me more about the benefits of the pre-finished. You got a couple sheets here.
Yeah, so
tell me why people seem to be attracted to that.
There's a few reasons. I mean, right here is an unfinished cherry sheet. This is the exact same thing, but it's got a clear coat on it. So right off the bat, there's a difference in visual appearance. It just looks a lot nicer with the finish on it. It really makes the grain
got
pop.
a shine to it.
Yeah, especially with the sapele wood. If you look at that one, I mean, the difference, that one sold out. I didn't realize how many people would like sapele, but it really makes the grain pop on all of the woods. It does make it a little darker on some woods like walnut, but it really has a visual appearance difference. The nice thing is with the pre-finish though, why we use it in our production line too for our other company is you can engrave an entire sheet all at once, then you can get a wipe off all that residue.
While it's in the bed.
While it's in the bed.
You can, because if you got little cuts, it's a quick way to leave it in there and just do a wipe off before you, so you don't have to wipe off all those individual pieces.
Yeah, so it's a huge time saver, especially like in the holidays if you're making ornaments or whatever you're selling. If you're mass producing product, or even if you're doing onesie twosies, it's nice just to do your engrave layer first, wipe, shut off the engrave layer, turn on your cut setting, do your cut, then you're all ready to go, assemble whatever you're doing, bypass the sanding. If you're like me, when you used to sand everything by hand with an orbital and your wrist hurt, at the end of the holiday season, this is huge. This is why we use it in our production, just because I have employees, labor cost, it's a huge cost to sand.
Yep.
Nobody likes doing it.
Nobody likes doing it. So that's a huge, and what kind of, with the pre-finish now, what kind of colors does that come in right now, currently on your site?
So the pre-finish, all of our materials have it, an option for it. So walnut, cherry, maple, sapele, Baltic birch. And then we are launching aromatic cedar within the next month. We have it back at the shop. I just was prepping for next level. It was not going to get done before we got here, but we are launching that in 1/8 inch soon. So all of our materials, we have unfinished and finished. So if you look on our website, we've got both.
Great. Let's talk about that cedar for a second. I love cedar.
Yeah.
It engraves really dark and it engraves really well. And yeah, this is really, really nice. I think you sent me a few samples of this, and I did do a couple projects, and it was super easy to clean up.
Yeah.
So that's one of the benefits. But I'm excited about that cedar.
Yeah.
That is a great, because it's kind of a reddish, has a reddish hue to it.
It'll have a little bit of red and white to it.
Yeah.
So each sheet will be a little bit different. We haven't unbundled it yet, so we'll see. We'll do some like unboxing videos and kind of show people what it looks like.
Let's talk about the core of your plywood and how it differs from standard kind of Baltic birch ply that you'd see like on Amazon or whatever.
Yeah, so our core, so all of our plywoods besides Baltic birch, obviously, because that's an import material.
I understand.
But all of our plywoods are all made domestically in the US. We use a basswood core instead of an MDF core. Main reason being it's a lot cleaner to cut and it's a lot faster to cut. So since our other business is a production business, we're trying to run as many product through in a shorter amount of time. It allows us to make a lot more product in that time frame. So it means you make more money during that time frame, makes your labor costs lower. You don't have to clean your machine as much. So there's a lot of benefits to it. So that's why we use a basswood core. It's a lot more consistent than the Baltic birch. Our Baltic birch is pretty consistent, but you can't always control what you're getting imported.
Exactly. And speaking of cores, I wanted to talk with you a little bit about the technique for getting like the best engraving on veneer ply, which is what this is. So this isn't, this is cherry, right?
Yes.
So just to be clear, this isn't cherry all the way through. So what I have found, if you want to get that nice, because cherry wood engraves nice dark brown. That's one of the things I love about cherry wood, alder wood, woods like that. But it is a veneer. So even with a basswood core, if you engrave too hard or go past that veneer, you're going to reveal what? The basswood core, which isn't that dark brown that you would get if you just stay within the veneer. I just find that that's a really important tip for anyone working with ply to understand, is that you want to make sure that you just engrave enough to stay on the real wood, the true wood that's on the top. Definitely have some beautiful finishes, both in unfinished and finished. And as long as you're doing your engraving on the true wood, you will get really good results. Let's move on to Dualtite. Let's talk about it.
So Dualtite is our double-sided adhesive. It's mainly an interior. We don't recommend it for exterior usage. It's kind of targeted for a lot of your indoor projects. I mean, we use it heavily with our ornament company. A lot of people use it for ornaments, keychains, magnets, a lot of things. I got a couple samples here that we put together this week. Cuddle designed this for us, just a few booths over. And then Trotec cut it out for us this weekend. So it's just kind of cool to work with some of the other vendors here, but it's just an ornament that you can see here. It's got our Baltic birch on the front, and then it's got sapele on the back. Essentially, for what you do with Dualtite, since it's double-sided adhesive, right here is a sheet. We have it in rolls and sheets. You basically peel the release film off here. You would stick it on your sheet, burnish it, and essentially it's applied on the back of your sheet, ready to go. You flip it, put it in your laser, you cut out the design you want. Then, so you peel off that release film off the back. Basically, the Dualtite's going to be cut anywhere you would cut your plywood layer. You peel that off, you stick the two layers together, make sure you have a good pressure when you put them together. It's a PSA, so pressure sensitive adhesive, so it needs that good pressure at first to bond well. And then voila, you got your product.
So saving you tons of time, no more gluing, no more, you know. And how does it work with acrylic?
It works great with acrylic as well. We have a lot of people who use it for acrylic.
And I think the only caveat is it's really designed for indoor applications, not high heat applications. If you're gonna make a sign that's gonna be baking out in the sun, you might wanna look at different adhesive solutions.
We would like to launch a secondary one, but I'm not gonna put any dates or times on that because the adhesive world is a crazy world, and
it is a crazy world. But I know you guys sell a lot of this stuff. I've tried it myself. I know it works great. I made a bunch of different signs for different customers. They were all indoor signs, and they were all super happy. You can't even tell that I didn't spend hours and hours gluing the back of the second layer. I just slapped it on there. It's great. I think it's a great product, personally.
And the one thing, we were talking with Roy the other day, we did the math on, well, if you get a 12-inch by 180-foot roll, that's essentially, it's about 113 sheets, 12 by 19 size. So let's say you get 15 ornaments per sheet. That ends up being 5 cents per ornament is your cost of Dualtite.
Yeah, that's super affordable.
So, and if you look at your time savings, where people don't look at the labor costs, especially if you're in the holidays and you get a bunch of ornament orders or whatever product you're selling in the holidays, and you just need to get things out the door, and you don't want to push off your shipping times and miss orders, this is a great way to save time, great way to not have the mess of glue. Our first year, we did 1,000, like 2020 ornaments, and we were gluing on every single number on there. You know, my fingers were all glued together by the end of it. It was a mess, and I really wish we had gone this route our first year.
So just speaking of that, just for clarification for everyone watching, you didn't just like decide that you were going to be a supplier for wood. David's actually in it, man. He's like in the trenches. He has his own business. Tell us a little bit about your actual laser engraving, laser cutting business outside of supplying this awesome material for all of your businesses. What do you do?
So funny enough, we have a Christmas ornament business. It keeps us busy year round. We're more so in the wholesale world now. We sell to like hundreds of retail stores. Funny enough, our busiest season is May for Christmas ornaments. We're shipping out to all the souvenir shops anywhere in the summer, pretty much anywhere from out west to Florida to, you know, we're in the Great Lakes region, so we do heavy, you know, numbers there. But that's why we started supplying wood, is because we're always cutting a lot of material. We want something fast. We want something that cuts well, engraves well. And then the pre-finish, we were sanding so many ornaments. You know, my wrists hurt after so long, and, you know, employees don't like doing it either. So that's why we were working on the pre-finish for a long time. And that's how Dualtite came about, because we're like, there's got to be a better way, you know, help our costs. And everything that we work on in our own business for laser cutting tends to be a solution for other people too. So it's really worked really well together. those two businesses. It's,
Yeah.
you know, it helps our own production.
And I think that's why you've come out with such great products, is because you want great products
Yes.
for your product. That's a real motivator, and you understand what you're selling to everyone else deeply.
Yeah.
Because it's part of your final production.
We use it every day in our own shop. You know, while we're here, I've got employees back at the shop.
Yeah.
You know, they're cutting ornaments out, you know, this whole week while I was here in Dallas. So,
well, listen, if any of you are interested in picking up any of this wood that we just talked about or any of the adhesive, I'll list some links in the description below. David, thank you so much. It's great to see you again in person. We talk, I know, through text messages and other stuff, but it's great to see you in person.
It's great to see you in person.
And it's great to see you part of the show.
Yeah.
All right. See you around.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
You're good at this. You should do this for a living.